Identifying functions from relations. I have gone ahead and taken screenshots of 3 different examples that you could possibly see in ALEKS. And while this topic is relatively easy, what happens is sometimes our brains kind of get jumbled in the process as we're going from one question to the next. And somewhere in the middle of it, we start looking back or thinking backwards. So, when you're doing this topic, it's going to be very important that you really are focused and you ask yourself the same question between each problem that you have to solve. The key with this is that you need to focus on the left side, the domain, or in this case, the domain's all the x's in your problem. Okay? And I've put the rules here, so focus the left side. The right side doesn't matter. We don't care what it looks like or what numbers are there or anything. The left side cannot have 2 lines coming from the same number, and it cannot have a double. So if you look, each of these numbers only have 1 line coming from it. See that? Only 1. Only Only 1. Okay, so therefore this is a function. Now if you look at this one, remember we're looking at the left side only. Notice how this one has 2 lines coming from it. Okay, and we could look down at the rest, but we can just stop here with this one. But this one also has 2 lines coming from it. So if it has doubles, it is not a function. Okay, so no 2 lines from the left side. Remember, always the left side. It doesn't matter that, like this one, we have all the lines coming to this number. That doesn't matter. Okay? Looking down here, we're focusing on the first number of each set of parentheses. And as you can see here, we've got a 9 here. We've also got a 9 here. And the rule is we can't have a double. So this is not a function, because it's got the same number twice. Okay, so let's look at this one. We've got D, S, T, and B. They are all different, so this one is a function. So all different. And this had a double. Put my reasoning for why it's not. My arrow looks awful there. Alright, so let's look. Here we've got 2 different examples here. Remember, we're focusing on the left side only. So this doesn't even matter. We don't even have to look at those. So in this case, we'll just scratch those out. So we're looking here, and of course it starts after here. So we've got paper, paper. Oh, here's our double. So when we have a double, that means not a function. Alright, so let's look at this list. We got -6, 3, 8, -2, 1. Okay, there's no doubles. They're all different. So this is a function. So make sure that you're paying very close attention as you select this. You will have 4 for each problem, if you will, in the topic that you'll have to solve. So you'll have to do these 4, and then they'll give you another set of 4 and another set of 4 in order to complete the topic.